Hey guys, so today we are going to make some alcohol ink tiles. Here are a couple of examples of the products. This is a 6x6 tile that I got from a pool company that was closing. Thank you, Ruben, for getting that for me. And this is the finished product. I'm planning on using it as a spoon rest. You can use it as a trivet if you do use a high temperature sealant. And here are some examples of what will be coasters as soon as I seal them. So there are a lot of different options of what you can do. These are 4x4 tiles that my dad got at Home Depot. He got 13 of them for under $1.50. So it's actually a pretty good deal. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to use this and how to do this technique. Basically, you need any type of permanent marker. I prefer the Amazon Basics markers over anything else. You're going to need some isopropyl alcohol. You need a paintbrush, some paper towel, and a little medicine dropper. I prefer the bulb dropper for the alcohol. And you also need sandpaper. You can also use a hair dryer if you need to speed up the process. So you're going to take the tile and you're just going to kind of rough it up with your sandpaper. Just slightly, just enough to get some scratch marks in it. And then you're just going to wipe it down with a little bit of rubbing alcohol to get any residue off of it. From there, you're going to pick your colors that you want to use. I think I'm going to go for the blues, maybe with a little bit of purple. And all you're really going to do is you're going to color an area on there. Put 1 drop or 2 drops of alcohol, depending on how light you want the color. Then you're going to take your paintbrush, kind of work it into those colors. Now you can either let that dry and move on to the next color, or you can just keep working. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this tile, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. The basic pattern of my tile down. From here you can decide whether you want it to have more like a marbled look, which is the look I tend to prefer, like I did on this one. So you can see I went and added some darker areas, just some lines, and I also added just some dots here and there. And also on this one, it's something you just have to kind of experiment with. The nice thing about this is if you do mess up an area, you can actually just go with some alcohol and wipe it off and start again. So I'm going to go ahead and add some finishing touches on here, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, that is pretty much it. All that's left to do is seal this with a spray sealer. You can also use a liquid sealer, but I would be worried about it smearing a little bit. Any spray sealer will do, unless you need it heat resistant. And then I just take usually a big Sharpie and I paint the edges of this just to kind of clean it up a little bit. And then you can also get some furniture felt and you can put it underneath just to kind of give it a padding depending on what you're using it for. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get more cool videos like this. Comment down below if there's anything else that you'd be wanting to see. You guys have a great weekend.